This guy needs to be off the streets.
New tonight, Fox 4 is hearing from more alleged victims of an accused thief that we told you about earlier this month. A Gladstone attorney says this video shows him being handed the attorney's package by a Walmart delivery driver. Fox 4 News has since confirmed that police have identified the suspect and recovered the car that he was using. I'm Kevin Barry.
I'm Lauren Halifax. That's not all, though. The case gets even more strange. Fox 4's Russell Colburn has a story you'll see only here on Fox 4. He's live now at Gladstone PD.
Yeah, police here say they've identified the suspect in this case, but we talked to a second alleged victim, and he says inside that recovered car, people's credit cards, social security cards, he estimates 200 different names.
This whole bag right here is full of stolen stuff from people's mailboxes or anywhere that he was associated with them.
John Goins with a trash bag full of what he believes are stolen items.
These are debit cards that he's stolen. Here's a whole deck of stolen identities, credit cards, IDs, license, debit cards, you know, the whole nine. Oh, social security cards. Terrible. Terrible.
Goins says it was all in this white Oldsmobile. Fox 4 News showed you earlier this month that it was driven by a man who allegedly stole 2 packages from James Kessinger's Gladstone law office. Here, Kessinger says a delivery driver hands one right to the man. We've blurred his face because he hasn't been formally charged. Kessinger says the man left an envelope in his mail slot addressed to someone who died 4 years ago.
Stolen plates with a dead guy's mail in his car.
After our story ran, we received an anonymous tip that the same car was parked in this Liberty neighborhood. Liberty police confirmed they towed it from here, but couldn't comment on any contents inside.
Here's some more stuff.
Goins, who's disabled, says he hired the man to do some home renovation work. Instead, he says the man stole thousands from him in cash and tried to open credit cards in him and his wife's names.
1,000% this guy.
His message tonight: to know who you're hiring and keep an eye out for this alleged thief who may be up to a whole lot more.
I don't want anybody else to go through this, and this guy's career at it, and he's good at it.
So officers here have issued a summons for the suspect to appear in court on theft charges. We're not naming him just yet because the charges aren't official, but Goins says he plans to hand over the contents of that recovered car to the police. Kevin?